students, now I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 3.3. Now question number 3 says number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represents the data on a bar graph. So here we have 6 different classes and number of children in 6 different classes are given. So this we will have to represent on a bar graph. Okay. So here is our bar graph. So here we have drawn two axes. This horizontal axis is known as x-axis and this vertical axis is known as y-axis. Now here we have 6 different classes and number of children in 6 different classes are given. So on the horizontal axis we will measure class and on the vertical axis we will measure the number of children. Okay. So we will have to level on both the sides, like at the bottom and at the side we will have to level it. And after that we will have to choose the scale, and scale depends on the value given. Like here we have 135, 120, 95, 100, 90, 80. Okay. So since we have bigger values, so we have taken the scale as 10. 1 unit is equals to 10, means 1 box is equals to 1 box means 1 unit is equals to 10 students. Okay, 10 number of children. Now we will write down the scale. So here we have taken 1 box is equals to 10 children. Now here we can see that small 10 boxes are there in 1 unit. We can see that in 1 box we can see that 10 small boxes are there. That means how much will be 1 small box? Since we have taken 10 here and since 10 boxes are there, so 10 divided by 10 is 1. So each box is equals to 1. Okay. Now at first we have 5th class, and in 5th class how many students are there? 135 students. So we will start drawing the bar. So 135. So since 135 is given and here I have written till 130. See, each box is having 10. Okay, 10 number of children. 1 box means 10 students, and here I have written up to 130, but the value is still 135. So I have to write 140 also. So we will write till the data given. Okay. So after this we will have to draw the bar graph, and in 6th class we have 135 students. Now where is 135? Here we cannot see 135, right? But see, just now I told you, like here 1 small box is equals to 1. So here is, this is 130 and this is 140, right? And in between this is 135. In between, because each box is having 1, so 131, 132, 133, 134 and 135. So here will be 135. So we will leave 1 box and then we will draw the bar. So let's start. So this bar represents the number of students in 5th class, okay, which is 135. After that we will leave 1 box and then we will draw the bar of the second one. In the second one we have, in the 6th class we have 120 children. So where is 120? Here is 120, right? So we will leave 1 box and we will draw the bar here. So this bar represents the number of children in 6th class, which is 120. After that we have 95 in class 7th. Now where is 95? See, in between 90 and 100, here is 95, right? So we will leave 1 box again and then we will draw the bar. So this bar represents the number of students in 7th class. And this bar represents 95 students in 7th class, right? Now next we have 100 students in 8th class. So where is 100? Here is 100. So again we will leave one box and we will draw the bar. And always remember, we will have to keep the width same in every bar, okay? So in 8th class 100 students are there, so we will draw the bar till 100. Okay, so this is the number of students in 8th class. Okay, now coming to next. Now in the 9th class we have 90 children. So where is 90? Let us check. 90 is here. So again we will leave one box and then draw the bar. So it will be up to this. So always use scale to draw the bar, okay? So this bar represents the number of students in 9th class. Okay. Now coming to last one, which is 80 in class 10th. Now 90 is, see in class 10 80 number of student is there. Now where is 80? Here is 80. So again we will leave the box and we will draw the bar. So it's up to this. So this bar represents the number of students in 10th class. Okay. So this way we will have to draw the bar graph. At first we will draw the axis and then we will write what we are measuring on the horizontal side as well as on the vertical side. Then we will have to write down the scale. Okay, and scale depends on the value given. After that we will draw the bar. Now after drawing bar we have some questions given. In the first part we have how would you choose a scale. So here we have taken one box is equals to 10 children, right? So we will write 1 unit, one box means 1 unit is equals to 10 children. Okay. Now in the B part we have answered the following question, and under B part we have two questions. So in the first question we have which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum. To find this, that which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum number of children, we'll just see the bar graph. Here we can see that this bar is the tallest one. So in 5th class the number of children is maximum, and this bar is the shortest one. So in 10th class number of children is minimum. So we'll write maximum number is in 5th class and minimum number of children is in 10th class. Okay. Now in the last part we have find the ratio of students of class 6 to the students of class 8. Now ratio means when we compare the two numbers. So here it is said that the number of 6 at first. So while writing ratio, we always remember whatever will be given at first, we will write that in the numerator. Okay. So since we are finding the ratio of 6th class to the 8th class, so 6 will be in the numerator and 8 will be in the denominator. So number of student in 6th class, see, it's 120, right? So we will write 120 in the numerator, and number of student in the 8th class, Here is 8, see it is showing 100 number of students, right? So we'll write 100. Now we will divide these two, we'll cancel zeros at first. So we have 12 by 10. Then 2 and 0 both is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10. So it will be 6 by 5. Now we cannot divide these two by a same number, since one is composite number and another is prime number. So this is only the reduced form. So the ratio always will be in reduced form. So the ratio is 6 by 5 and the ratio can be written as 6:5. Okay, so this is the symbol of ratio. So this was all about question number 3. Thank you, students.